First response, people or drones? Well, there's an interesting question, and to answer that for us at the World Police Summit, where emerging technologies and forward thinking are all around us, I'm delighted to introduce the president of Brinc Drones. Blake,
Yeah,
the answer is?
Yeah, well, I think the answer is both, long term. I mean, you know, drones like this do a great job of executing missions that are just too dangerous for a person. So just as an example of this, we were part of the Surfside condo collapse in the United States, where a building came down in Miami. It was a 14-story building. It was unfortunately very deadly, but a half of it was still standing. So you start thinking about the prospect of sending in firefighters into a structure like that to, to do that search. You're risking their lives, because if that thing comes down with they're inside, it's a bad day. Or, SWAT missions broadly. You have someone that's armed and dangerous inside of a structure where you don't know where they are, you don't know what their attitude is, have none of that data. Like, send in a device like this that can give you all of that information, find someone, talk to them, try to de-escalate without risking anyone's life. So that's precisely what we build. And long term, thinking about 911 response, I think there's a huge place for devices like that in that sort of field too. I mean, if you have a 911 call and you can get a drone out there to respond to a structure fire, 45 seconds after the 911 call comes in, that's a big deal. That's a life-saving capability. So, yeah, the answer is both. I think drones will continue to evolve and occupy a larger segment of emergency response, and that's what we're trying to accelerate at Brinc.
Blake, thank you for taking time to join the dots in just how policing can benefit from a technology such as this, and I congratulate you on your presence here in the Middle East. It's a developing territory for you, but clearly and quite rightly, you're getting the interest you deserve here at the Police Summit. Thank you.
Thank you.